So today we'll be looking at these things. We'll be looking at how to create some folders, move folders, delete folders. We will do some personalization of the computer, whereby you can change the background of your computer. You'll be seeing how you can rename your computer, how to create password on your computer, and then you'll be seeing how to install and uninstall some programs or some softwares from your computer. So today's class, I'll not be teaching with any slides or any PowerPoint. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll share my screen. So what I'll do, you just follow me as I'm doing it on my computer. You just follow, then you learn how it is done. Okay. And I hope that's not going to be a problem. As you can see where my cursor are, the search button. This is the search button. Okay. So the whole thing that you see down here is a taskbar. Okay. So anybody say, oh, go to my taskbar and click on it. This black thing you're seeing here, this whole side of my screen to the left, from left to right, is my taskbar. Okay. And where I'm pointing my cursor right now is the search tab. If you go to control panel, you have to click here. Okay. You just type control panel. Okay. Control panel. Then you select the control panel. Okay. So this program helps you to do a lot of things. Okay. So when you see we have system and security. We have network and internet. We have hardware and sound. We have clock and region, and we have ease of access. Okay, how do I delete my guest account? You go to control panel. Okay, you go to control panel. Just as you go to this is the search tab. Okay, this one, the search tab, this one, control panel. The same, we're going to user account. Go to change account type. Click on the account that you want to delete. So this is the guest account that we created. This one, guest 2. Click on it. When the next page loads, you see here, delete the account type down here. Okay. Delete the account type. You click on that. Then it's asking you if you have any files in there. Okay. After the person with us, is there any files there that you want to keep, or you want to delete everything? Okay. If you want to keep the file, you click on keep these files. If you don't want to keep any files in that guest account, you click on delete. And you confirm it. Then that guest account, as you can see, is no longer here. That guest account is deleted. Or if you want to check if it's going to, you come to the Windows bar, the Windows or the start menu bar here, the start menu here. Click on it. Click on the account logo here. And as you can see, the guest account, this one, what we created is the guest 2. Okay, this one, that one is no longer there, so it's deleted. Okay, so this is how you delete guest account from Windows 10. Having done that, let's look at how you can restore any files on your computer in case you mistakenly delete them. Anything that you delete from your computer goes to an application on your computer called Recycle Bin. And the application is designed in such a way that it holds that file that you deleted from your computer for about 30 days or more. Okay, so in case you don't go back to restore it, that document gets deleted permanently. Now, as you can see, I'm pointing my icon to the recycle bin. Let me move it to the middle so you can see. Okay. Let me do this quickly. Okay. So as you can see, this is the recycle bin. Okay. So everything deleted from your computer goes to this application. So I say I mistakenly delete this file. Okay, this file that I'm pointing my cursor to, this Word file. Now I'm named basic. Let's say I mistakenly delete it. So what you have to do is to go to this application. So it's always on your desktop. Locate it, double click on it. Okay, so this is the file that I've deleted. Okay, this is the file. This is the file that I've deleted. Okay, so sometimes when you come, you see so many files other than this. So when you come, you have to go through to see the files that you want to restore. Okay, after you deleted it, if you have so many files, go through all the files that you have. If you locate the file that you want to restore, just right click on it, then click on restore. Okay, after you click on restore,
the files will go back to its normal, its original location on your computer, and you can go back to use it back. You can go back to use it with no problem at all. So the next thing we're going to look like how you can create a folder and how you can manage your folders on Windows 10. How do you create a folder, name them, and put all these documents in them, so that in case that you need it again, open that folder to use it on your desktop, any area on the desktop, any area, just right click on it. Okay, just right click anywhere on your desktop. Okay, when this the option window appears, okay, go to new. You see this new here. Okay, just click on new. Now the first icon you see is folder, so you just have to choose the folder. That's all. Automatically your new folder has been created. Okay, now let's create a new one. Go here, you right click anywhere. You can right click anywhere on your desktop. Go to new, click on new. When you then click on folder, then you name it anyhow you want to name it. Let's name ours guest. Okay, name it guest. So after I've created the folder, so let's say I have this document. I want to put this document is on my desktop. I want to put it in this folder. I want to put this document in this folder I've created guest. Okay, what do I do? One, you're going to do drag and drop. You have what you call drag and drop. Or two, you're going to do copy and paste. Okay, you're going to do drag and drop, or you do copy and paste. Okay, the simple way of doing drag and drop is you hold the left key on your mouse. Okay, when we say left click and right click, now the left button on your mouse, point the cursor onto the file that you want to drag. Hold the left button on your mouse and then move the mouse onto the folder and then release your hand back again. Automatically, your file has been saved in that folder. Or if you don't want that, you can simply right click. Okay, the right button on your mouse. Let's right click on it. Then click on copy. Okay, you can either copy or cut. So click on copy and then go back to your folder. You can either open it or you can just select it just like it and right click on it. Then select paste. Paste. And automatically the file will be pasted in that document, in that folder that you created. So you see it's here. It has been created. The file has been saved here. So having done that, we will move on to how to uninstall any program on your computer. You have any program on your computer, you don't want it. How do you uninstall it? Let's say I have VLC that I want to uninstall. I don't need it anymore. I want to uninstall it. How do I do that? Okay, the same way, there's an application on the system called Control Panel where we went to create a guest account. Okay, we go to the search tab, type Control Panel. Now, when you get here, you see you have system security, network, hardware. Go to programs. Okay, select programs. When you select programs, you see under the programs and features. See, we have what we call uninstall a program. Click on that. Locate the app that you want to uninstall. So for me, I want to uninstall the VLC for my computer. So all that you see here are my apps that I have in my computer. I want to install VLC. As you can see, this is my VLC where the case I want to uninstall. Click on that, okay, and head to the top here. You see we have uninstall and change. So it's the same thing. Change is to uninstall, uninstall is uninstall. So click on that. It's asking you, do you really want to uninstall this app from your phone, from your laptop? Then say yes. As soon as you click yes, the computer will uninstall. So next, yes, uninstall. To uninstall this app from your laptop for you. So this is how we uninstall apps from your laptop. So let's see if it, so you see the virus is no longer here. It has been uninstalled successfully from my computer. So this is how you uninstall apps from Windows 10. Okay, let's look at how you can do some personalization on your computer. Okay, so as you can see on my desktop right now, well, let's look at how you can. If you want to change the font of your letters, if you want to change your background, the background of your desktop, let's look at how you can do that. Okay, so there are two ways. You can either right-click on your computer and go to personalization, or you see the Windows icon at the left corner here of my computer. Click on that. Okay, and then go to settings. Okay, click on the button here, then go to settings. Now, when the next page loads, you see you go to personalization here. Okay, click on the personalization icon here. Okay, after I click on personalization, now this is where you can change if you want to. So you see, we have background. This is where you can change the background of your desktop colors. If you don't like the colors, the blue and the black and what you're seeing here, you can change that to the lock screen. If you want to lock the desktop of your computer, the security wise, you can also do that. You can change the theme of your computer into a dark mode, or if you prefer the white one, or to saturation, or anything how you want to do it. You can change the form, or they can even organize the start things that you see here, the start menu, the task bar. You can organize your task bar here. You can even do that. So right now, I'm going to do this. I'm going to check how to change your desktop picture, or how to personalize your desktop. Select background. Now it's telling you this is the background picture of your desktop. So I already have this picture here as my background, as my desktop picture. You don't want that one. What you can do is you can select on browse. Okay, you select on browse, select on browse. Select on browse. Now when the next Windows, this icon here you see, anything you click and open it in Windows, we call them Windows. Okay. When the next Windows loads, okay, you go to when you click on browse and next Windows load, any picture that if you have a picture on your on your desktop, or in your document, or in your download that you want to use, you click on that. So let's say you go to downloads. If I don't have any picture there, let's go to desktop. Where's my picture? Where's my picture? So this just a minute. Okay, so if you have any picture that you want to use, okay, so if you click on when you go to the personalization, go to background, click on browse. Okay, when the next page loads, let's say this, you can select document. If in case your picture is in document, I'll teach you how to do that. In case your document is in download, music or pictures, click on that. Then as soon as you click on that, the picture that I want to use will appear here where this cat picture is. Select that picture. Okay, select that picture and click on choose this picture. Okay, choose this picture, and automatically this card will become your desktop picture. Okay, so this is how you change the desktop picture. So well, the next thing I'll teach, maybe somebody sent you a document, you download it. Okay, you download the picture. Where does it go, and how do I keep that picture in any folder that I have created? Okay, so anything that anybody sends you that you download, okay, automatically that document goes into downloads. Okay, so if you want to locate your downloads, you see you locate you on your task bar. Like I said earlier, this long black thing here is your task bar. Okay, this is your task bar. And if you want to go to your if you want to open a new folder, or you want to do anything in a folder, this icon here, this thing here, this yellow with blue thing on it is your folder. Okay, click on that to open your folder. Okay, and then when the folder opens, you go to this PC, or in your other computer, you see my computer. Everybody knows that at my computer, but in Windows 10, it has changed to this PC. So as you can see at the top here, you see we have desktops, we have your document, you have downloads, you have music, pictures, and videos. So if you download anything on your computer, it goes to downloads. The same way you can locate at the left corner here. Okay, if you select here, this is your downloads. So these are the things that I've downloaded on my computer. Okay, so if you want to move all this to a folder that I've created anywhere, so let's say this folder that we created here on my desktop. Okay, this guest folder. You want to move this document into that folder. Okay, what you do, like I said earlier on, you hold the left key on your mouse. Okay, the left key on your mouse. Right, you have right click and left click. Hold the left click, hold it, and then move your cursor upwards. Okay, to select all the documents in download. Or in other words, you can just click, or you can just type on the control key on your keyboard and A. Okay, that's a shortcut to select all the folders. Okay, Control A will select all the folders, or you can hold your left button or left click on your mouse and move your cursor upwards. Okay, so after you've done that, just put the cursor on the files that you selected and right click on it. Then select copy or cut. If you cut it, when you cut it, it means this location where you have this document will no longer hold it. Okay. Or you can copy it, but still after you copy it, still there will be a copy in this folder. So if you don't want any copy to be in download, you click on cut. You cut it, minimize the folder, select the folder that you want to put your document in, open that folder. Anywhere in that folder, just right click in there, then click on paste, and automatically the files that you have in downloads will move from your download and be saved into the folder that you created. Okay, so this is how you move files from one location to another. You can either copy, you can paste, you can copy, you can cut, or you can do drag and drop. But if you drag and drop, it means where you are moving the folder, where you are moving the document, that location will no longer hold that files. Okay, so when you drag and drop, the original space where you are that is storing that file will no longer hold it, but you drag into another location. The same when you do cut, when you cut it, that the location where that file is will no longer hold it. It will then move to a different location where I'm going to paste it. So I'll go over. So let's say I have this document here. I want to move into another folder. Hold the left click on your mouse, move the cursor upwards. You can do it from the side, hold it, move the cursor to select everything, or you can click Control key and add A to it. So as your finger is on the Control key on the keyboard, holding it, press long and hold, add A to it to select everything. Put your cursor on the files that you selected. Okay. Right click on it, cut the document, minimize the folder, select it. Let's say you want to paste it here. Select this folder, open it, and then paste it here. Right click inside anywhere in the folder, then you paste it. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, I would like to add one more thing. Let us learn how to create password on your computer. Let's look at how you create a password on your computer. Okay, you have a computer, there's no password. It's very risky. So if you have a computer, you want to create a new password, like I said, the same app that you go to is Control Panel. Okay, so go to the search tab here on your taskbar. Click on and type Control Panel. Okay, this is the app. Click on it. Okay, like we created a guest account, then you go to account, user account. Okay, click on change account tab, just like we did the guest account. And when you come here, you see my local account is showing. Double click on that. Then you select if you want to change, because I already have password on my computer, so it's telling me to change it. But in case you don't have password on it already, this change password will not show it. It will say create a password. But because I already have a password, it's saying change password. So you click on it. Then the password that you want to use, type the password here, then confirm it. You have to type it again, then you confirm it. But if now you are not come to create a new password, this will not show. It will only show new password and confirm new password. But because I already have a password, it's telling me to type the old one. Okay, but if you come here, you only see, even the password come, you only see new password and confirm new password. Then you type the hint. Now this is to help you remember the password. Then you go to change password. So I'll go over. You go to you click on the search tab here, search tab here. Type control panel. Select control panel. Go to locate user account and click on change account type. Now this box here will show you, in case you have other account to show in this box. Okay, so because I don't have any account, this is my user account. Double click on the user account. If you have any guest account to here to tell you want to add password, double click on the account, then go to change or create password. We already have a password. I'll click on change password. But if you don't have to show create password, okay, type the new password, confirm it, and type a hint here. Then you click on change or create password. So you click on it, and automatically the password will be created on your computer. Okay, so this is how you create the password on your account in Windows 10. Is anything confusing about this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Anything confusing about this?
No, sir.
Okay, so what don't you understand?
Mariam, ask your question, okay?
So please, my question is, in order to create password or change your password, you need to get the control panel app. Is it an app or like it's already on the laptop?
It comes along with Windows. If you install Windows 10, it's pre-installed on it already. Okay.
Oh,
You don't
okay.
need to it's already on Windows 10.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Please, any other question?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah.
I think the first thing we did know about creating a guest account.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask a question, but I've gotten the solution already. I wanted to ask, if you don't have enough space on your machine, will you be allowed to create another user account? But when I practiced, I realized that because you don't have enough accounts, you'll not be able to create.
Yeah, you will not be able, yes.
Yeah. So I got the answer, so I just want to share it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes, any other question?
For me, I don't have any other question.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so we've done how to create a guest account. We look at how you can create a guest, you can delete a guest account. We're looking at how you can create folders, how you can move files and documents from one location to another. We're looking at how you can do some personalization. Look at how you can uninstall apps on your computer, and we also look at how you can create password on your computer. Okay, so on that note, we'll be ending the class here. Then we'll do the next video, begin the next class. Okay, so I'd like to say thank you all for joining. And then if God permits, next class we'll do more things and go more into details than this. So thank you very much. What's that? Please, over to you.
Mariam, do you have anything to say again? Your hands
Yes, sir.
up. Okay, let's go.
Sir, so please, my question is, so like in order to get the Windows 10, you have to update your laptop.
Yeah,
Okay.
What are you running on now?
I think it's Windows 7 or so.
Okay, Mandela, answer, please.
Okay, Miriam, if you're running Windows 7, please, that's the big question. That's a no for me, because Windows have stopped supporting Windows 7. Okay, so any security patches, any security files that is saying or an update that is saying Windows 7 is out. You don't get them. Okay. And security wise, it's not advisable for you to use Windows 7. Okay, so now if you want to change it, you can either do an update, or you do system update, or you do a local format. Okay. So the updates, if you do an update, which will move you to Windows, either Windows 10 or Windows 8.1. Okay. But if you want to do a local format, You can select the app, the operating system that you want to install. Okay, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, so these are the two things that you can do to change the Windows 7 on your computer. Okay.
Okay.
So
Thank
you can
you.
either format your computer or do an update.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so you can just run the Windows on or run the Windows 10 on it. If your machine specs is okay. So you should be looking at your requirement, your specification. If you have 1 gig and all those small RAM, running Windows 10 will not be proper. So you maintain your Windows 7. But if you have enough RAM, it means you can go to Windows 10. And please, if you have to do it please bring it to us, we do it for you. And then you pay us something small. Very important. So we have come to the end of our session for basic computer skills. And then please, if you're on our platform, there's a community that we are in. We have 3 groups in that community. We have the virtual group and then the in-person group, and then we have one Ssendacom Skill Up. Please, if you like what you are doing, you want to follow or receive more information on what we do, you can click on the 3rd one and then you join. Because once we are done with the training, we will have to clear everybody from the group. So if you are with us, we'll send information on the other platform. That's the Ssendacom Skill Up training. We'll send information on that platform. So this one, by next week, we'll clear all the people from the virtual and then from the in-person. And then in January, we are going to, January to March, we run another class on this. Those who are in this class, we have to migrate you to the advanced session. So if you want to do basic again, we will not enroll you. But if you want to pay, we will enroll you. So anybody here who came for the basic computer class, next year, we won't put you here. Even if you apply, we'll put you in advanced computer skills. But if you insist that I want to join basic computer, you have to pay the tutor for going to train you again. I hope you understand.
So which is how much?
Next year, we'll tell you how much you pay.
Okay.
So we still run the free courses, but alongside the free courses as well, we have options for people who want a one-on-one training or want a group, maybe the people of 2 or 3, they come together and they want us to train them. That one is a paid session. So anybody who wants to do that one too as well, we are open to business. But the free IT Skill Up courses, it continues. It's every 3 months. We do it quarterly. So the next session will happen in January. We'll bring up the courses. Anyone that you want to join, you join. So God willing, next week we'll do network and systems, and then Microsoft Office. We are left with only those two courses to finish. We are done with ethical hacking. We are cyber security. We are done with basic computer skills. We are done with social media. Which one again? Okay, so it's left with 2. So God willing, by next weekend we would have finished. And then if you want to support what we do, or you want to you like what we do, just go to the page and then put yourself inside. Then we'll be sending you information. And if you feel like you have learned and you also want to give us money, as for money, everything is good. If you want to send us money too, please contact us. We'll give you Momo number and send us money. That one is very, very important. But if you don't want to give us money, please, that's fine. Okay, this course is a free course. God bless you. Thank you very much. If you don't have anything to say, then enjoy your evening and your weekend as well.
God bless you too. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
So let's get in touch, okay? You can WhatsApp any of us any day, anytime, and we can talk.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.